Namaste. This is Sangeeta Gorak, MPhil Research Scholar from Kakatiya University. My topic is expatriate expressions of Indian diaspora literature. Expatriate writings has always considered as a part of diaspora literature. The term deals with many connotations like diaspora, immigration, nationality, ethnicity, marginality, hybridity, etc. It means the strong feelings about the country of origin for the migrants of first generation. While for the second generation, the ties and bonding with the homeland gradually gets replaced by the adapted alien country. An expatriate focuses on the native country that has been left behind. Expatriate sensibility is a widespread phenomenon in this century, and George Steiner describes the expatriate writer as the uncontemporary everyman. Salman Rushdie has described the term exile synonymously for emigrant and expatriate. According to Rushdie, exiles or emigrants or expatriates are haunted by some sense of loss, some urge to reclaim, to look back. But when we look back, because of our physical attention from India, we create fiction, imaginary homelands, India of the mind. Indian expatriate writers in the recent years have created a unique form of literature which carries dual sensibility, mingling or differentiating past and present. Indian expatriate writers. The expatriate writers, through their writings, have lent voice to the experience of all those people who, like themselves, have migrated to alien lands. Major writers are Salman Rushdie, Bharti Mukherjee, Rohinton Mishri, Neeraj Chaudhary, Kamala Markandeya, Anita Desai. Indian expatriate writers in the recent years have created a unique form of literature which carries dual sensibility, mingling or differentiating past and present. Surely, the sense of homelessness and nostalgia for the loss of home is one of the most important themes in such literatures. Themes of expatriate expressions: quest of identity, multiculturalism, marginalized territory, sense of displacement, nostalgia, assimilation, rootlessness, alienation, racism, cultural shock, hybridity, etc. Yeah, here I have illustrated Salman Rushdie's collection of essays, Imaginary Homelands. These essays examine issues of migration, literature and colonialism, socialism and political activism, modernism and more. In these essays, he listed his own set of questions. For him to be an Indian writer is to face everyday problems of definition. What does it mean to be Indian outside India? How can culture be preserved without becoming ossified? How should we discuss the need for change within ourselves and community without seeming to play in the hands of radical enemies? What are the consequences of embracing those ideas and practices and turning away from the ones that come with us? These questions are all a single essential question. How are we to live in the world? I conclude here. Expatriate writings cannot be confined to any geographical or cultural boundary. Still, special metaphors emerge as and when the immigrant writer talks about his homeland, his birthplace, and his roots. The homeland or the native place, as well as the margin between the two countries or the two cultures, act as a special metaphor. The expatriate writings often exhibit this clash of two cultures amounting to kind of racial or ethnic discrimination. Thank you.